Alright guys, here we go. You guys watched my unboxing, likely, of the Razer Mousepad. This is they call it, I guess, a Chroma Mousepad. It's the hard surface top. I was kind of always worried about that at first. I kind of wanted to get one of the cloth ones. I thought it might not be as loud, but obviously moving the mouse, I'll show you guys that. It's not loud at all. It's definitely allows for, extra fast gameplay or moving around a lot faster. The cloth one's probably a little bit slower just because a little bit more of that friction and cloth material. But anyway, I just kind of wanted to burn through the review and letting you guys see the actual colors going on right now. So here's the thing. As soon as you plug it in, you got to download the Razer app, desktop thing. That's actually, it was at, let's see if I can pull it up for you guys. Let's see if it got saved in the, it was called Razer Zone, razone.com/synapse, SYNAPSE. So after you go to that, you download the app that actually controls the device. So we'll go ahead and pop that device up here on the computer so you guys can see what it looks like. Make sure you're spelling it right. Razer, there is another website out there that doesn't look as good, obviously, but can definitely trip you up if you actually misspelled it like I did at first. So obviously you guys could have seen the colors go through already, but let's go through this real quick. I know you guys want to get through this quick, see what's going on. So here's the app. We'll go ahead and bring that up on the monitor over here. The hard edition, obviously you can change the brightness. You can come in down and dim it, normal, bright, quick effects, advanced, or you can switch off the lighting when the display is turned off. So right now I've got it just on spectrum cycling. You could come in here to advanced. Obviously you could see the they're changing now. So as soon as I went into advanced, it went into Chroma Effect 1. So we're gonna go ahead and hit Chroma Studio so that you can come in here and you can see it brings up the actual mouse pad and you can see where the lights are actually going off right now, which I thought was a pretty cool little feature. All kinds of properties. I'm sure there's way more better videos showing you guys how to actually use this app. But anyway, we're just kind of going through a quick, real quick one just so you guys can see the colors and stuff. So we're gonna set it to, up here we're gonna hit the 3 little dots right here. We're gonna change the effect to breathing. And you can see there it comes, and it's gonna act like a breathing, it just makes it look like you're breathing. Right now you see all the colors going on. You can set the colors to just one particular color, all kinds of stuff like that. And then you could add the effect over here down in the lower left corner and actually sell it to, you can add fire, spectrum, starlight, you can add them all together. But let's go through the actual cycles of the mouse pad so you guys can see the colors. Again, we're just going to those 3 dots over there on the effect layer. I'm just keeping it at 1. You've already seen spectrum cycling. The one you're watching right now is breathing, but it's, yeah, there we go. Now we're on starlight. Kind of bounces all around. That's probably one of my favorite ones. You can come over here to static and just obviously leave it a particular color. You can see actually on the monitor, it's got me as a static green, but it's still actually going through its thing. We can set it to wave. Wave goes crazy. This one's fun if you just kind of want to change it up. Look at the monitor. It's going like crazy. And the cool thing is that over here, obviously you can see the colors going on up here as well. Through the Razer logo. So that one's pretty cool. And we'll give you one more and let you guys get out of here. Fire. Fire is pretty cool. It just has a nice little calming, flickering effect, which I thought was pretty cool. But since you guys got this angle, you can see the monitor and the mouse pad again. I'll burn through it really quickly. So there's, that one was fire. Here's static, starlight, breathing, and the one that I just keep it on because I try not to get too distracted and have it, because I still feel like my phone's going off or something. We just keep it on spectrum cycling, just like the whole overall thing. And obviously you got to hit save. You can go to studio up here, or you can go to other apps that it has. So I'm gonna go ahead and don't save it. Obviously you can mix it and personalize it however you want. So I think that's still a pretty cool feature. And just go back to the studio. And of course up here at the top, you've got the Synapse, you got the Mousepad, profile, chroma, hue. If you got any hue light bulbs, goes really well with it together. And yeah, that's how you guys change the settings. Again, that's razerzone.com/synapse for the actual app downloading. And just kind of wanted to show you guys the actual colors going through, since I told you I would in other videos. Pretty cool mouse pad, I like it. But obviously with the mouse pad on there, or with the mouse, pretty soft, pretty nice. It's not cold. I thought maybe it'll get a little cold too. That's why I might like the cloth one, but that one's really cool. I'm glad I got this. Obviously the really nice braided cable is another nice feature, so it can be bent out and take some pretty good use, hopefully. So anyway, hope you guys like that video. As always, come back and check out what else I do. I do a video a day for a year, showing you the YouTube process and if we can make money, if we can make it work. But you got to hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. So that's what I need most out of everybody out there that wants to give me that nice patronage. Just go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and hope you guys like the channel and come back and check out some more. So can't wait to see you guys in the next one. Later, guys.